Be strong.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Waterloo Italian Infantry at Alamein 1942-43 132 scale plastic kit. This kit comes with 12 132 scale figures in 6 different poses. The figures come attached to sprues, similar to the way Mars or Red Box does their 172 scale. They may do that with their 132 too as well. I'm not for certain. I don't think I have a Mars 132 set yet. This is soft plastic, very flexible. Snipping them off was no issue at all, with no loss to the figure. All right, we'll take a look at the first 6, or excuse me, we'll take a look at the 6 poses. We'll start with the officer. Got the high boots there. Pose waving his men forward. Pistol out. Not a lot of detail on the pistol. I don't like the base style here. I'd rather that be more flat than this concave or pyramid effect, whatever you call that. Detail's not too bad. He's a good 132 scale soldier. Now what would have been cool, very cool for me anyway, was had his rank been visible on his arm. But I still think he's a cool figure. Next up, the machine gunner with the Italian style pith helmet. I like that. I wish I had more 132 scale Italian troops in that pith helmet. I think that's very cool. I would like to do some stop motion animation with maybe focused around the Second Abyssinian War or the Italo-Ethiopian War from 1935. Nice little figure. Next up, take a look here at the Bersaglieri troop that comes in this set. As you can see, he has his feathers on his helmet. Throw in a hand grenade. Kind of a classic army men pose. A rifleman. I like the Italian helmet and Italian pith helmet from World War II. Submachine gunner. Maybe he's an assault troop. Perhaps that's what his cap indicates. I don't know. You can see the bandolier across his chest there. That's pretty cool. Or should maybe the strap to his carry bag. This one has, instead of the shorts, he's got his full pants on with the the leg straps, the webbing for the boots. A bit of flash to be cut off right there, bottom of that rifle. And there we have it. The 6 troops, or 6 poses of the Waterloo Italian Infantry set. We'll take another look at the box. Has some very cool artwork on the front. And as you see from the preview, only one figure is shown on the back, and they have a list of their other forces in that series. Alright guys, that about wraps it up for today's video. Also, do you like this set? Do you like or collect Waterloo toy soldiers? If so, tell me about it. Comment down below. I read each and every comment. Do you also, maybe you also collect 132 scale Italian troops from other makers? Comment those down below. Comment what you think of these troops here. I have several more sets coming up that I want to show in future videos. I'm planning to do some stop motion soon. I'm getting some things worked out on that as far as software and learning. Also, I have some more 132 scale sets I want to show, some more Space Marine and Warhammer 40k sets I want to show, and of course more 3D printed figures. I have some pretty cool 3D prints I want to show off. Also, we're going to be taking a look at some 172 scale sets. I have a huge collection of 172 that I'd like to show you. And of course, we have some more Amazon and eBay purchases I want to show. One of them in particular is a set of tanks. Alright, that about wraps it up for today's video. Thank you for watching. Like I mentioned earlier, if you can, please drop me a like, and please subscribe for more Plastic Soldiers. Thank you. Have a good day.